Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up the registry so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, press Win+R, type regedit, and confirm admin access. Then navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. Make sure you close non-essential apps to avoid file lock conflicts. This first step is critical because the taskbar size is controlled by a registry value. Changing it directly is the only built-in way in Windows 11 to get true small taskbar buttons. Now you create or edit the word named Taskbar C in the advanced key and use the decimal base. Set the value to 0 to make the taskbar buttons small, 1 is default and 2 makes them large. Once set, close regedit. You do this because Windows 11 reads Taskbar C on Explorer Start. Changing it updates the size parameter. If the word doesn't exist, create it as a 32-bit value. Make sure the path and spelling match exactly to avoid no effect. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Explorer. EXE, right-click and choose Restart. Once done, you should see smaller taskbar buttons immediately. If not, sign out or reboot to force the registry to reload. Make sure you verify the taskbar C value is still 0 and that you used a 32-bit word. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing changes, reopen regedit, confirm the exact key path and value name, and ensure you restarted Explorer or the whole system to apply the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.